Next up is the kitchen with porcelain floors. Electrolux, which are the highest quality appliances, are installed here from the range hood. To the range itself, oven down below, and the dishwasher to be installed here. Faucet is imported from the United States. Provides some nice features. Cupboards are tall to allow storage for those occasional uses, but plenty of lower storage, first and second shelves for daily use. And in the back we have wash basin and a place for the washer and dryer, gas dryer up above, with more storage area. Little nook here for people to have their tea in the morning or breakfast. Solid green, what they call butterfly granite here. High quality in every way. The wood is Rauli, a Chilean hardwood. Entrance with a video selection.